Hope I am clear with this point. So, I will just quickly refresh the point. God's energy is classified into two, that is inferior material energy and superior spiritual energy. And inferior material energy, what is made up of? So, inferior material energy is made up of 5 gross body or 5 elements. What are those? Earth, water, air, fire and ether, and Sukshma body. So, this is Sthula body, so, and Sukshma body or subtle body is made up of Man, Buddhi and Ahankar. This is matter what I am talking about. And what about spirit or the soul? This is made up of Sat, Chit and Ananda. That is the point. Now, you can see this image in this. The pictorial understanding is about the body, the subtle body and the soul. So, the external body what you can see in me or all of us we have, it is just a gross body. So, this body is made up of earth, water, air, fire and ether, and inside that there is subtle body, that is Man, then inside that there is Buddhi and inside that there is Ahankar, and inside that deep within is our identity, that is spirit soul. So, there is spirit soul, and if I compare the spirit soul and to the body, so like my body is spirit soul and above that I am wearing a shirt, that is Man, Buddhi, Ahankar, and above that I am wearing a coat, and this is gross body. What is that? Earth, water, air, fire and ether. So, hope this image actually gives a lot of information. One image can give a lot of information. Now, in the Bhagavad Gita 2nd chapter 13th verse, Krishna very beautifully explains about this. He says, Dehinosmin yata dehe kaumaram yavanam jara tata dehantara praptir dhiras tatra namuhyati. So, what is the understanding of this shloka? Krishna says, Dehino asmin yata dehe. So, this deha, this body is born and it is undergoing changes. And what are the different changes? Kaumaram. So, there is called avasthas. So, this small baby, newly born baby first gets in the avastha of Kaumara stage, Kumara stage, Kumara avastha. There is Balya avastha, then Kumara avastha, then Kaumaram, Yauvanam, then that is youth, teenage, Yuva avastha, then there is Jara, old age, Kaumaram, Yauvanam, Jara, and finally there is death. So, Krishna here is saying, Tata Deha Antara, Dehanta, at the end we die. So, every intelligent person should know this. He says, Dhiras Tatra Namuhyati. An intelligent person knows that me, that is I, the spirit soul, has got this body and this body is going to grow. It is going to become a small baby, then youth, then old age, then finally this body will die. But I don't die. What happens to me? I take next birth. That is, I get another body. That's what Krishna tells in the Bhagavad Gita. So, even in the current life, you or me, the soul is reincarnating from childhood, body to boyhood, from boyhood to youth, and from youth to old age. That is the point here. Another interesting verse which Krishna explains, that is in 2nd chapter 22nd verse, he says, Vasamsi jirnani yata vihaya navani granati naro parani tatha sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. Interesting verse, very beautiful verse. In the 2nd chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna speaks a lot of information about soul. If you want to know more about soul, please read 2nd chapter of Bhagavad Gita in detail. So, in this verse, Krishna very interestingly explains about soul. What he says? Vasamsi jirnani yata vihaya. So, Vasamsi means the dress. Now, I am wearing a dress, it becomes either old or it gets torn apart. So, what do? I remove the, like for this example, this coat, what I am wearing, it becomes torn or old. What do? I just remove that and change, put on the new coat, right? So, similarly, the soul is wearing this body. The moment this body becomes useless, the moment this coat becomes useless, I throw the coat and get a new coat. So similarly, the soul lives in this body as long as this body is fit and fine. If body becomes useless, body meets with an accident, something, brain damage, brain hemorrhage, whatever, cancer, that means body is not cooperating, body is not in a good state. The moment soul understands that I am not ready to be here in this body, then soul immediately leaves this body and goes to another body, and this movement from one body to another body, what we call is as death.